Hi, in this video I will show you how to use Chrome on MeTV. So in order to use your Chrome on your MeTV, first thing you need to do is to just head over right here to your Google Play Store. So on some cases, Chrome is readily available, but if it's not, you can click onto the search bar and search in here for Chrome. Now from in there, you can just head over and then install Google Chrome right here. But if it's not available onto your Me TV, what you can do is just search in here for downloader by AFTV News. Search in here for that, and then from in there, you should be able to see in here this application. Head over and then click onto this install button that you should be able to see right here. Now, from in there, it should be able to open the app. And as you can see on this app, you just need to enter a particular URL in order to download. So what we can do is you can head over to this URL that I will show you. So we have in here this, just head over to this particular link, a URL, which is apkmirror.com/apk slash google dash inc dash chrome. So head over to that link, then put that onto this, and it should be able to download the APK for that, and you should be able to install it locally into your Meet TV. So for a second method, you can also just download in here this and then put it into a USB drive and then insert it on your TV. You can use some other file manager options like Explore File Manager in order to install it from there and locate it from there. So for the last resort, what you can do is you can use your phone or your laptop. For example, under this case, we have in here our laptop. So what you can do is you can click onto these three dots onto your Google Chrome, and we have in here this cast, save and share, and here you can see this cast option. Head over and click onto this cast option, and it will look for devices in order to cast it into your Meet TV. Once you have in your TV, just head over and click on it, and you should be able to actually do it or cast it on that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.